Hi guys, this is my second project, PhonePe Plus data visualization and exploration. Go to the data extraction page, clone the JIT and get the files and load it. There is the one by one files and extract the data and create a SQL page and insert the data to SQL tables. Go to SQL, refresh the SQL page. Select a PhonePe Pulse database, aggregate transaction table, the table of aggregate users, and the table of map transaction and map users, top transaction table, and top users table also. This data contains year from year 2018 to 2023. This is the data visualization file. It's a Python code for data visualization using Streamlit. This is the one-by-one visualization code. To run the Python file, enter Streamlit and enter the Python file name. Go to the browser of Streamlit page. It contains all India state-wise top 10 categories. It's a transaction analysis of geo visualization using. And the next tab is bar chart. It contains state-wise transactions and total calculation. It's a table format. Here is the state, contains data total transaction amount also. Selecting of year 2023, it shows the data and select transaction type to financial services. It also contains table format. Go to bar chart, some of the state transaction data, and go to user data and select 2021. The user count also shown respective states. Go to state-wise data, state-wise data transaction tab, select state Tamil Nadu. This is the select year 2020. This is the data and this transaction analysis chart. Total calculations of transaction type also. User analysis chart. They select the year 2020. User analysis chart contains quarter types and total calculation also. Yeah, and top 10 transaction categories, top 10 states, respective transaction amount. Finally, the top 10 table selected here 2022. There is the state contains total transaction amount also. Bar chart of the total top user analysis chart. Selecting the year 2029, year of 2022, total calculations, total user analysis 2020. Thank you guys.